So today in this video we are going to be talking about how you are going to open your React project in browser. We are going to be discussing two scenarios. We are going to be showing you the ways you are going to open your React project which you already have on your computer. That means the React project you are currently building, and the other one, maybe you clone a React project from GitHub, and how you are going to open it in browser. So you open up this code, your code, the one you have on your computer, open up inside your code editor. In my own scenario, I'll be using Visual Studio Code, and I also advise you to use Visual Studio Code because it has a lot of features and you have a lot of things to install, including the plugins there. So now definitely this is my code, and this is my React project, and this is my terminal on the bottom, at the bottom of this. So you definitely want to go to source folder to see whether the node modules folder is available on the folder. So if it's available, so I want to clear the terminal, and then I definitely want to type npm start. So this npm start, we run our React project, and we just have to give it a little bit of time for it to finish loading. So after it's loaded, it may take a little bit while before our React project open up inside our browser. And it's loading. We can just see it's redirect us to the browser, and our React project has completed loading, and it has completed loading, and that's all. So now after showing you this, I want to show you the other way which you are going to be doing if you have a project on GitHub. Maybe you clone a project from GitHub. So this is a github.com, and I definitely want to maybe look for a repository that have a React project which I'm going to clone. So I search React something. So this is a React real estate landing page. So I definitely open up and click on the code icon, then copy the code, the HTTPS code, and I want to go to my desktop to open terminal. So I want to navigate to my desktop now to open terminal from the desktop, and I want to type in the git command, this in desktop directory. I want to clear up this, and then after I clear up everything that's definitely here, I want to do git clone. So I will write git clone and definitely paste the link I have in front of it. So which by hitting enter, it will head over to clone everything I have inside the GitHub code. So after cloning it, it's taking some time. It's already cloning. It has already cloned everything that I have. So I definitely want to clear up this and probably check if I have everything intact. And this is the folder I cloned. I want to open up this folder inside my code editor as usual, which is Visual Studio Code in my own scenario. And after opening up this code inside Visual Studio Code, I want to check if there is a node modules folder, which we don't have it yet because I just cloned it from GitHub and it's not the project I've been working on. I want to open terminal. So I want to run npm install. So I want to run npm install. So it will head over to install my node modules folder and every other dependencies I need. So npm install will head over to do that for me, and I can just give it some time for it to finish installation. So as you can see, I have a very, very good network, and it is loading very, very fast. So after it is done successfully, you see it says I should run npm audit, which I'm not going to do for now. I want to clear the terminal, and then I want to check if the node modules folder has appeared. If the node modules folder appear perfectly, that means I can head over to do npm start, so which we head over to run my application. It's run, and my application is already opening in the browser, and that's all. My application is live. So if you like this video, kindly subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.